welcome back to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine after a tune-up. So let's go ahead and make a shot. The grind is a little coarse on this, so we could have pulled a better shot with it. It came through a little fast, but it's functioning well. And let's go ahead and test the steam. Steam works great. And the base was also loose, and we replaced the flanges on the base and tightened it up. It's no longer loose. And just know that we could have gotten better crema with a finer grind, and it's ready to go. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below, and have a good day.